think the same stuff. Where is it?
Let's kick it.
Yeah, I mean, what's in the bottle? Well, I had to write my eyeball. You can take that, I know why. Take those back to the garage. Don't get it on you. It'll burn you up.
Yeah, let's kick it. Super concentrated.
It'll burn you up. Then bring my soap over here. It's by the...
The Dawn? Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, drag the camera
And
over here,
comment. I need to comment too.
will you? Hey, Mom, drag the camera over here, will you?
Hand me the yellow rag and the coarse brush. Actually, they're all the way down inside. Right there, yeah, you have to all the way down to the bottom is a little round square brush. I'm gonna need that. Get these bulbs off. Look, there's a dent in there.
You want it ringed out?
No.
You got a
brand
dent.
new stack right there's got a dent in it.
The brand new stack has a dent?
That brand new stack
How,
I just put on.
how did it get a dent?
Well, I wonder how. Because of the low hanging trees. But somebody says, oh, he just faked that. He just faked the low hanging tree. He's a faker. Faked that low hanging tree. That exhaust was already like that. Faker, faker. Breaker, breaker. Big Belly the faker, faker. He faked a low hanging tree. His exhaust was already rotten and falling off. That's just clickbait. Breaker, breaker.
AJ said that he got off on top of the truck today.
Not on top of the truck, on top of the headache rack.
And what were you doing on top of the headache rack?
Dad had to put on some lights, and so I just went up there and chilled while he did his thing.
Well,
Put
come,
those tail lights on that I was telling you about.
AJ, come show us the lights. Come on, give me a tour of the lights, and then you and I have to go. AJ and I are going somewhere tonight. We're gonna go to see a horse whisperer tonight. A horse whisperer. We're gonna go watch somebody break a horse. I've never seen that done before. He's called the Horse Whisperer.
Alright, sorry, don't touch that. There's one here. There's one here. They are lights that are like connected to the left or right. I don't know how to describe it, but we wired them in today.
You helped wire them?
No, I did help route the wire here. The other side. Didn't do much, but I did wire this. I didn't wire it, but I helped route this one wire through the back. If you can get the camera up under there.
You did a lot of
Would you get the camera under there, please?
Oh, I see the wires.
Yeah. Would you put the camera under here?
Okay.
So I helped put this through the back. All right. That's about all I did, but I helped put the wire behind these wheel bars. But that's about all I did. Just truthfully, that's all I did. But I helped put these behind the bars. Anyway, that's all that was about.
All right. I do see all these wires. But did you like me? do that again. You always have to have a little peace sign. Alright, so, yeah. So they're wired into the turn signals?
Yeah.
Oh, look how bright Steven got that. Yep, I do see that.
What I'm concerned about is I don't want it on the glass. I don't want it to dry on the glass. If it dries on the glass, it's going to etch it. That ain't going to be very fun.
I do see that.
So I want to do it as fast as I can, get it off as fast as I can.